Hello everybody, today we're gonna try to clean my BMW, which is very greasy. We got the grease everywhere on these components. And in the past I was trying to use lots of different detergents to clean this sort of engines, dirty engines, and I would like to introduce you a new product which is called dimmer. Basically it's a heavy duty two-part detergent. You can see it, we got a darker green and a lighter green on the bottom, and basically before you use this you have to mix it up, shake it, read the instruction. Yeah. So what we do, we just shake in a can, and then we have to stick to the instructions by making a mixture. But usually what I do, I just all depends how dirty the engine is. I try to do my own mixture. Let's say we take in that much. Yeah, to the spraying bottle. We add in some water. And basically small amount of this liquid is enough to produce about 1 liter of heavy duty detergent, which is good for cleaning engines, degreasing them. So you can see we got almost the same amount. If we got this sort of bottle, that's gonna be enough to clean for about, it's gonna be about maybe 20 times or more, 100 times. All depends what sort of mixture you're gonna do. And we're trying to spray in the engine. Just I need to adjust the bottle. We're supposed to wear the gloves and stuff like that, but I just not doing this because I'm too lazy. There you go. What's happened when we put this liquid? Everything is just sliding down. Any grease, any petrol, everything will be cleaned off. It's actually the best liquid I ever use. You can see what's going on. Every grease, everything is coming off nicely. Of course, after a few minutes, once this liquid penetrates the dirt, we're gonna have to wash it off, and then if this is not enough, then we're gonna have to repeat this action until we're happy with effect, final effect. You can see what's going on. You can see how strong this liquid is. There you go. Before we even start washing off, we already got a big patch of dirt on the floor. It's working very nicely. The strongest stuff I ever used. Very good. Yeah. There you go. That's what's going on, what's happening when you're using this heavy duty detergent. Yeah, we're not supposed to leave this until it's dry, but you need to stay on the surface for a couple of minutes, and then we're supposed to wash it off by using jet washer or just hose in the water. It needs to be properly washed off. It's also very good for cleaning other surfaces. A very weak mixture is very good for just cleaning the cars as well. It all depends how strong you're gonna make it. And now we're gonna prepare the jet washer. And try to wash it off. And then we're gonna see if it's clean or not. That's my jet wash. Basically it's broken, but maybe it's gonna help us to wash it off. Okay.